And today we are working on this big oak tree right here. We set up a truck right there. They have a sewage tank on this area somewhere around here, and they have the field lines going out that way. So this tree is leaning over the house or trailer. We're gonna be taking care of this tree today. Stay tuned, guys. this is what we got so far, guys. I've got all the limbs on the ground. I've got almost everything on the ground but those big logs right there. I got 1, 2, 3. I may not have enough battery to record the end, but I will take a picture with my phone if I don't have the battery on the GoPro. And this is what we have, guys. The tree was right there. We have some firewood for the customer. The customer wanted some firewood, and we left them a little bit right here. We also grind the stump. It was a huge stump. So this is what we got, guys, and that is it for today. And we're done, guys. We did the tree job this morning, and after that we came out here and trim all the hedges on the front, put pine straw. I left my guys here and I went to do another quote, but this is what we got. This is the end. Fresh pine straw, trimmed, fresh pine straw all the way around.